Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a really super fun video. Well, at least I hope it's really super fun. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new iPhone. So excited. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post. And now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Like I said in the intro, I'm doing this video like really super fast, only because this came a lot faster than I actually expected it to, and I got stuff to do today. That's why I look like this. So usually I come on here like glam beat face, like hair laid and whatnot, but it's raining outside and I wasn't gonna do my hair, so I put on a hat, and then like I got a knock on the door from UPS, and it's my new iPhone. So let's just get right into it. Like, this is brand new. The only thing I did was take it out of like the box that UPS shipped it in, but everything else is like still in plastic and whatnot. So I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the color gold because, you know, I am a gold child. I am a golden child. So okay, let's get right into it. I'm taking the plastic off. I'm like, ooh. I actually really like this packaging compared to like the other iPhone packaging. Hold on. This is for the iPhone that I'm currently using. For this one right here, this is the XX Max in gold. That was that packaging. I prefer this packaging. I like the black and the gold. Like, it just looks good. It looks sexy, guys. This looks sexy. I'm just gonna open this and you guys can see what's in the box. Open. Okay, so as soon as I open the box, this is what it looks like. Doesn't really look like it's that gold to me, so hold on. I think the last thing I'm going to talk about is the phone, so we'll just talk about everything else that's in here. So this is just like the design by Apple California. What is this? Got the little Apple sticker that I don't be sticking on nothing. I'm going to just hold it here. And then I guess this is just like the user manual. I don't know, little user manual. I'm not really sure why it came like this time, but whatever. And then the only other thing that came in this box is the charger. There are no headphones with this, which I think is a little dank. And there's no wall piece. There's no like adapter piece. So there's that. Like, if you needed headphones, Apple does not have your back. You needed headphones. And this is a different charger. This is it's not the regular USB. I think it's a USB-C. Yeah, it's not a regular USB. It's a USB-C lightning cable adapter. So the part where that you would put plug into your iPhone is the same, but it does not fit. I'm a little confused about this actually. So here's the regular iPhone charger, and it's obviously just a USB. It's a USB. Now it's a USB-C. So why is my phone going off? Whatever. So this new charger is not going to fit into my old wall adapter. This would actually fits into my Apple, it fits into my MacBook charger. So you know how the MacBook charger is a little different, it's a USB-C. That's what this fits into. So I don't think I'm going to be buying a new charger, but I see what Apple did here. You gotta spend some coin to get a wall adapter if you don't already have like an iPad or a MacBook, because this old wall adapter is basically obsolete with your new charger. Or if you already have an old iPhone charger, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it'll still fit into your new iPhone. But there's nothing else in the box. That was it. It was just the phone and the charger and the user manual and a sticker. I feel like Apple could have at least gave me the wall adapter and some new headphones. Like, I'm not asking for AirPods, I'm just asking for regular headphones, but whatever. Time to get to the phone. So I did tell you I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the color gold, and I got 128 gigs. So this doesn't really look like gold to me, honestly. Is there something on here? Because this isn't as gold as I thought it would be. This looks white. Like, I like this gold better. Oh, does that look white to y'all? No, see, I like this gold better on my old iPhone better than this new gold. I'm not really feeling it too much. So I'm gonna just probably get a gold case because I got a gold phone for a reason. The back is really pretty. It does have the 3 cameras. Honestly, if Apple adds one more camera back here, it's gonna start triggering my triophobia. What is it called? I forgot what the word is, but it's the fear of holes. If they add any more cameras back here, it's gonna start triggering me. So this is already just looking at it in my camera is kind of upsetting me, so I don't know. But it just has this paper on it right here in the front, and I'm just going to peel this off. Ooh, she's so sexy. She's so sexy and pretty. And y'all can see that I'm filming by my window. Ha ha ha. Look at that. But she looks great. This is like the same size as my older iPhone, so I do think I have a screen protector that I can put on top of this for the moment. I don't have a phone case. I just ordered one today. I should have ordered one already so that I could just use my phone case, but whatever. I'm about to turn it on. I think the buttons are all the same. Actually, it did tell me on here, it did say some things. Not really. There's just like some little symbols, like, you know, the on button would be here, turn it off, like the sound off and on, volume up, volume down, and then when I would charge it. So I'm just gonna click on it. I'm pressing down the power button, which is on the side right here, and you see we got the little Apple logo. I think we might do an installation video as well. Maybe. I'm not that tech savvy. I just want to see. But it looks good. Hello. Oh, okay. It says bring your current iPhone or iPad near the iPhone to sign in and set up. Okay, hold on. I'm bringing it near. Oh, okay. So it does do this thing where it's like, use your Apple ID to set up your new iPhone. Okay, continue. Oh, it's connecting. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Position the pattern in the circle. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. If I would have known it was going to do this, I probably would have screen recorded. Enter the passcode on your other iPhone. Okay. Okay, I think I got it going now. It says I do have to wait a few minutes. So, we wait. Okay, well, while we wait, yeah, I'm a little disappointed about this gold. This looks white. This isn't gold. Like, is there something on here? I don't think there's nothing on this. Like, I'm actually very like, I like this gold right here, but I don't like this gold. Oh, the Face ID. Hold on. Setting up my phone and whatnot. Continue. Get started. Here we go. Takes about an hour. Okay, transfer your data. You can directly transfer your data during the setup or finish downloading it later. Transfer directly so this phone will be ready with your data when you finish setting up. Time to transfer is about an hour. You can start using your iPhone in about 15 minutes. Huh. Okay. I'd rather just wait the 15 minutes than wait the hour. So I'm gonna do it with the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi. And it says it is setting up my phone. I wonder if it's gonna set like everything up. Like, is it gonna be exactly the way I have this phone set up, or do I have to like do all of that all over again? Because I I just got this phone kind of in a, okay, hey, continue. So now it's just restoring from iCloud. It doesn't tell me how many minutes I have, but I'm waiting. I will wait. This is taking a little longer than I expected because like I said before, I was trying to leave because I got things I gotta do. And I probably should have just did them first and then set up my phone, but I was being real impatient. And I kind of want to get this video out like today, so none of my like daily usage apps want to work. I'm a little upset about that. And yeah, it just keeps doing this, and I'm like, do I have to redo all of this all over again? I don't understand. Maybe it just needs a little more time. Let me see if my text message is open. Okay, text message is open, so maybe it just needs a little more time. But yeah, that's it. As you can see, I do have that screen protector on, but it's too small, so I'm about to just take it off. Okay, well, my phone is mostly ready to go. I just think I need to go back and like I don't really know what it is because some of my apps just are not opening. Like, yeah, my apps aren't opening, so I might have to go back and then recustomize it just cause, but I'm gonna have to do that later. I don't got time to do that right now. But I'm gonna just have to go back and recustomize it. But besides that, everything else on this phone is lit. Like it's I'm happy with my phone. I just wish the charger came with the adapter. That was it. But that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Also, if you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Leave down in the comments if you plan on getting the new iPhone like I did, and what color would you get, you know. If you want the gold, I'm just letting you know it don't really look that gold to me. But that's besides the point. And that is it. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
I heard they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.